Hi there, Sasha Lydiard here, and in this series of videos I've been telling you about the tools, the apps and the extensions that I use to operate my dropshipping business. And it doesn't matter whether you're dropshipping or just doing anything online, so many of these tools I use for everything that I do. And one in particular is this one here. I have absolutely no idea how to pronounce it, whether it be Gyazo, no idea. But all I do know is I use it all the time and it is a fantastic tool. So there's many uses, but one of the uses that I do is for my listings. So if I've got a listing like this one, I've used the Infinii listing creator to create the listing, but the particular supplier has only got one photo. So I want to add some more photos, and I'll go to, say, another supplier. Say I'd go to Amazon and find some other photos. Let's get this one here, and I would click on the icon for the app and hover over it, take a screenshot, and there you go, you got your photo. I would save the image, and let's save it as patio dining set. Okay, and I would then open that in Paint. I would resize it, making sure that it's 500. Okay, and that's now saved. Go back to my listing, click on Add Photos, Patio, Dining Set, open, and it's as quick as that. Alright, so that's one way of using it. So we go back to the actual app itself. So you've got the photo here. If I wanted to send that to somebody, you can share it really quickly. So you can share it on Twitter, Facebook, email, you can print it, and I would maybe want to get a link to it and then send that link to somebody. So if I just open up Messenger and send it to myself, I would paste that, right click and paste, and there you go, the photo's gone, and I can just send that and that will send to me. So really quick and easy, but that's not just it. So the other thing you can do with it is you can draw on it. So if I wanted to add some text, or if I ever wanted to do an arrow, I can point the arrow, I can save that, and then you've got a new link to that new photo with the arrow on it. I might want to, let's see, this is a good one when you're actually wanting to highlight some text. You get this square box like that, and you can highlight some text, or you can actually put the text in. So brilliant, really have a good play around with that, but that's really easy. And then something else I use it for is that you can actually take very quick videos. So if I just go to my Facebook group, this is the group that I run with Ian Orford and Tracy Davison and Oberon Demoni, and this is where we support other members within Infinii that are in our group on a daily basis. So I might want to do a very quick video to show somebody where the videos are, or how to make sure they're getting notifications. So all I need to do is right click on the icon and go click on Capture GIF, and that has made it go all dark, and you got your cross again, and you would just highlight the area you're going to take a video of. Right, and the video is now started. You can see the timer going here, and so whatever I wanted to video, say I wanted to go onto notifications and show them that they've got to go onto all posts, I might want to show them the video area. So scroll through there, maybe point a particular video that they need to have a look at, or I want to show them how to search for a particular post in the group. So we were talking about Payoneer today. Click on that, and then all the posts would come up about Payoneer. So that's a 30-second video that I have just done very quickly, and it'll take just a little bit of time to process, not long. Let me shut down a couple of windows while we're waiting. It won't be long, and you'll get a little noise coming through which will tell you that it's ready. We hope. Not long. So while we're waiting, You may have seen a video that I did the other day showing you how to get these tabs, these visual tabs. Really, I love this. I don't use the old tab system anymore. Anyway, there's the video all ready, and you can see my mouse moving, and it's going on to the notifications. It's showing all posts. It's then going to the video section. It's then scrolling through the videos. Isn't this cool? Really, really good. Quick video. All done. And when you finish with it, you can share that just like we did before. So click the share button, copy link to clipboard. You've got a link. Do whatever you want with it. All right, so hopefully you found that useful, and if you did, then please put a like underneath this video. I would really appreciate it. If you've got any suggestions, any comments at all, then add them below as well. And I think this is going to keep going until I get rid of it. Let's get rid of it. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And there's also a little bell, so it will notify you of any videos that I've got coming your way. So I hope you found that useful. I've got loads more for you, so stick around and we will speak soon. Take care. Bye for now.